welcome back to the channel, guys. This is still Speed Profits, but I want to show a new way that I'm going to make some videos in the future, because I've been dealing with problems with the cars. I showed you guys how to fix it. I had enough of those. So what I'm planning to do from now on is take the car up in the canyons and show you guys every single canyon around California. So the first canyon that we are right here is the Encynal Canyon Road, and I'm going to show you from one side to another, and I'm going to even time it, how long it's gonna take, how many weird turns it has, if the road condition is bad, if there's cops around, how empty it is. So I'm gonna give you all the information that you guys need to safely drive on them. So as you can see, I took the Audi this time. Maybe in the future I'm going to take the Mazda or maybe the Evo, but for now this is the car that's taking me to places fast with the supercharger. So I just wanted to announce this, that the channel is trying to expand, and this is my next journey. It's gonna be called what is it gonna be called? Yeah, Canyon Hunters. So the next episode, it's gonna be called canyon hunting, and under that I'm going to show you all the canyons around California. Around Los Angeles, because I'm not gonna travel, you know, like for hours just to show you guys a canyon, or maybe not just yet, maybe in the future. And as you can see, I have new merchandise. This is the first design I did. It's Never Stop Building Your Dream Car by Speed Profits. By the time I'm going to show you this video, it's gonna be available in the store at speedprofits.com. And if you like my videos, if you want to sponsor the videos in the future, you can get one of these. It's gonna be in white and black. I don't care about the rest of the colors. These are the ones I like. It's simple, it's classic, so you can pick this one, the other design that I'm going to show you later on, and let's go and drive on this canyon. Okay guys, we are heading up towards Encynal Canyon Road. This is the Kanan Road that we are driving on right now. I just took off of the 101 northbound because I'm coming from the valley side. If you're local, you know what I'm talking about. If you're watching it from somewhere else than Southern California, you have no idea what I just said. But if you look it up on the map, 101 northbound from San Fernando Valley, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. Looks like we have a little traffic in front of us. Hopefully once we get to the two-lane side, we can overtake every single one of them. Today is Sunday, so I think it's like 9 o'clock, maybe a little past 9. So that's why we have some tiny traffic over here. Everyone thinks they're going fast. Better be safe than sorry, guys. My channel is not about reckless driving. My channel should be about exploring, you know, the beautiful places in Southern California, and not suggesting to you guys to speed or doing crazy maneuvers when you're driving on public roads. Even when you're driving on the track, don't do crazy shit, guys. Okay, just a couple more in front of us. A little more for the passing zone. It's 55 the speed limit, and we are barely going with 50. I really don't understand these people sometimes on the road. I don't want them to drive 100 miles an hour. But come on, at least with the speed limit. Since I live in LA, I know what the rush hour and traffic is, guys. You're barely going with 15 miles an hour, so obviously on my day off, I would like to enjoy the car, the power. And getting stuck behind a Tesla doing 40 on a 55 is just out of this world. Anyway, this is the Kanan Road, guys. As you can see, other people are enjoying the weather today and the road in the canyons. So we're gonna head up to the Encynal Canyon Road. And as you can see, the road conditions so far are pretty nice, pretty smooth. The turns are wide enough that you can go more than 50-60 miles an hour comfortably. This is the part that I like, that most of the time you're gonna have two lanes going up the canyon. And unfortunately only one lane coming down. That's why I don't really enjoy doing the videos coming down, because if you get stuck behind a slow car, that's it, game over. You're not gonna enjoy the drive down. But on the way up, as you can see, you have multiple places where you can just pass the slow drivers and you're good to go. Right over here we're gonna have an intersection, so try not to go too fast, because sometimes cars are waiting for the light over here. We're gonna turn right on the Mulholland Highway. And we're gonna keep driving just a couple minutes. The straight road. And that's where the Mulholland Highway is going, and we're taking the Encynal Canyon Road. This is the one I wanted to show you guys. As you can see, the view is very nice over here, very pretty. Not a lot of traffic usually, no cops. I think this is my maybe 100th time driving up and down over here, and I never seen a cop. You have a fire department over here, but I have never seen cops on this road. Couple more turns and we're gonna have a little straight where we can overtake this guy. good thing when you have a fast car. You can overtake everyone in the right place. If you have a slow car, you need a long straight section like this one over here to overtake people. This is where you can like really punch it and just overtake people. As I stated, the road condition is pretty smooth everywhere, all the way around. There's only one turn where you have to be really careful if you have like a budget built car, you don't have really good suspension, or you just don't really know how to take the turns, you know, like braking before you enter, stuff like that. It's not a hairpin turn, but if you're going like 60-70 miles an hour, it's not gonna be good for the car, because it's gonna shaking the car like left and right in a turn, and that's something that you don't want to do, or you don't want to experience. So let's just keep on driving. There's gonna be another intersection over here, and we're gonna follow Encynal Canyon Road to the left. Thank God that he's going to the right. No one's coming. If you guys are planning to do these canyon runs, I suggest you to wake up early. And obviously you're gonna do this in your free time, which it's usually Saturday or Sunday. So since people, you know, like to enjoy the weather in California and going down to the, let's say, to the PCH, to the beach, they're gonna wake up pretty early to enjoy every minute of it. So you have to wake up even earlier than them, which is around like 5-6, and start hitting the canyons after sunrise. If you're hitting the canyons after sunrise, you're probably gonna be the only one on the road, because who the hell wants to wake up that early, you know, just to go down to the beach? I mean, surfers, yeah, for sure, but the other people, not really. So just stick with the 6-7 a.m. waking up, hitting the canyon, and then just go on with your day. And this is the section what I'm talking about. You have this Charmley Wilderness Park over here, and this is the turn. As you can see already by looking at it, you have these bumps, and then right this corner, it's gonna like, no, this one, yeah, this one over here, you're in a turn, and then there's a bump that's kind of like giving you like this worm shake if you're going over like 70 miles an hour. I already tried with my Acura RSX. I drove that one around like 50 miles an hour on that section and almost kicked me off the road. So it's no joke, guys. And make sure every single time you're going to a new canyon section, don't overdo it. Just go with a comfortable speed that you're comfortable driving, that you can still stop, and just enjoy, you know, the canyon. Don't overdo it. Don't bring your friends, you know, show off. Don't bring your girlfriend showing off in front of her, because at the end of the day, we just want to have fun. We still want to go home. We still want to enjoy the next weekend. If you're just totaling your car, what's the fun in that? So just go with a comfortable speed. I already been on this one like 60-100 times. I'm pretty much know the corner, the turns, and how fast can I go with my car. And if I'm going to a new canyon, I'm obviously going cautiously in the turns. You don't know how sharp is this turn's gonna be, or if you have a car in front of you, you know, broken down on the side of the road. And if you're going with 50-60 miles an hour, you can still enjoy it, but if you're going with 80, there's no way of stopping. Talking about good road condition, this is the only section where you're might gonna run into some issues, like steel plates still on the road, because these guys still haven't finished this section of the road. They've been patching it, I don't know, for the past 6-7 months easily, and that's about it. From here on, we still have a couple more minutes driving down, but pretty much this is the end of the Encynal Canyon Road. We're gonna hit the PCH in like a minute or so, and that's the big blue over there, the Pacific Ocean. That's why it's PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. Can punch it for the last time over here. Watch with the bumps. So guys, this was the first run of a new series, let's say, on the channel. So what do you guys think? Oh, look at that, beautiful cars. So let me know in the comment section if you guys like this new video format, this new channel, when I'm driving my car on every single canyon near Los Angeles. That's my plan. So what do you guys think? You want me to talk you through the canyon, where it's dangerous, what should be the normal cruising speed, or you just want me to shut the hell up, just keep on driving, and you guys just want to enjoy the view, and you just want to enjoy the engine sound, the exhaust sound. I'm planning to upgrade the microphone so I can put one in the engine bay and put one in next to near the exhaust, so you guys can really hear like the car changing gears, downshifting sound, the supercharger whine, and all that stuff. So this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.